Hello, my name is Kim, and now I want to show you how to create an Air Waybill. In the menu, you click on Air Waybill and click on Create New Air Waybill. Here you enter the Air Waybill number, or you click on the Assign from Stock to take an Air Waybill from your branch stock. You fill in the details on the booking, destination, goods description, pieces, weight, volume, dimensions if applicable. Here you have shipper and consignee. You can add the details manually, or you can select from the address book. You can scroll down, and here you have the special customs information. You click on Find Offers to find a flight and an offer. You select an offer on this step 2. You are returned to the previous step. Fill in the remaining information and click on Skip to Summary and Declaration. And here you fill in the missing information and click in I agree to the Air Waybill terms and conditions. Then you submit the Air Waybill, and now the Air Waybill documentation is completed successfully. And this is how you create an Air Waybill.